My husband. My love. I'm sorry for all I have done. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I have realized all my mistakes. Please.
Vera, just stand up and leave. I have nothing to tell you.
I'll go. But I just want to know that you have forgiven me. Please. Please.
What you and your family made me pass through is beyond forgiveness. I lost my mother because of what she made me went through.
I'm sorry.
Vera, would you have been doing this if I were in my former position? Because you see things are getting better. You are not kneeling down here begging me.
Listen, my love, my mother misled me. Please, but all that is in the past now. I'm sorry. I'm a changed person, please.
Vera, it's too late. You can get up and leave. My children will stay back.
Please, I'm sorry. Please.
Vera, see what you've done to yourself. I loved you and your family. Just look at you.
Please. I will make up for everything. Please, I'm sorry. Please. Please, I beg you.
I lost my mother because of what you and your family made me went through. All I could get from you was heartbreak. You left me for another man because of his money. So where is he now? Where is he? Nowhere to be found. Or you think I didn't hear of his arrest? You think I didn't know? Please leave.
Look, baby. Please, I'm sorry. I love you so much. Don't do this to me, please.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.